Here I have Honor 70 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding down your finger on it, nothing happens. By tapping on it once, it asks you for like these permissions. Okay. So let's try it once again. Okay. Here you have this like screen recorder tutorial. So here you can like switch microphone, you can record with microphone or without it. So when you're done recording, you recorded what you intended to record. You just tap on this button here, and after that recording will be saved. Then you can find it in gallery, in a special album called videos or screenshots. It will be in both albums. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.